So guys, we're having this overheating issue on the Samsung Galaxy phone, and we can try to remove the temperature sensor. That sometimes can help to fix the issue. But it's a hindrance to the phone charging. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to see if we can replace the charging board and see if we can get the phone fixed. However, it appears that the phone is charging now, but after the overheating sign will show up. It will show up and then it will be like that and the phone won't charge. So we have the replacement. We have the replacement board here, and we are going to see if this will solve the issue. So this is the part in which we are going to replace, right? This is the part that is giving us all the problems. Yeah, so we are going to install the new board. Here, and we are going to see if everything is working perfectly. So we just so I am going to put this to charge. And we are going to see how quick it charges, and also we are going to see if we're still having the issue. If you saw a while ago, we had the screen came back on, and that one was the new board. But what happened at times, sometimes it can be in the phone memory. So when we plug the charger in, then we see the triangle warning sign. Let me go ahead and plug back in the charger. And if you look, we didn't see it that time. And it's already at 56. So also if I have to use a different fast charger, let's see. So guys, I do want to believe that the problem is fixed. I will just leave the phone to charge and then we will confirm that the problem is gone. So guys, definitely we are still having the problem. So that we know that the problem is not coming from the board. As this is a brand new charging board, so the problem is actually coming from something else. We need to observe the pins on the connector and ensure that everything is in properly. Also on the other part of the ribbon as well, we need to observe and ensure that everything is good with the connector, as we are having this overheating problem. So let's just observe the connector to see if there's any strange thing going on. We're going to be reusing back the old board. And we're going to connect back the ribbon. We're also going to connect back the charger. So there's something that is causing the overheating issue. Maybe the cable wasn't done properly, we don't know. Maybe there's another problem with the motherboard, we don't know. But we will find out. So guys, I'm going to leave the phone to charge and we're going to see if we can solve this issue. So guys, definitely the problem is the phone screen. As you can see, I currently have a different phone screen plugged up to the phone, and as you can see, the phone is charging, no problem whatsoever. So the charging issue is coming from the phone screen, because you can see where the charge goes in at the big flex cable for the screen, and then it goes to the motherboard, then to the battery. So there is something definitely wrong with the phone screen that is causing the overheating sign. Hope that this was helpful in some way, guys. Do like, share and subscribe.